guys, today I'm making some shrimp and broccoli, and right now I'm just cleaning. Well, I already peeled my shrimp. I'm just cleaning it with some vinegar and lemon juice. I'm using fresh lemon because I ran out of the bottled one. And I have my water boiling to blanch my broccoli. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my broccoli too. You're gonna need 2 heads of broccoli. Well, depending on how many people you're cooking for, of course you use more. I'm using 2 heads of broccoli.
I used to trap in my night. We used to dirty the Sprite. Bitch, I'm a crip in the night. I'm on that South get pipe. I've been running shit since a little Neo. 30 clip on like Steph at the free. Ankle bracelet and shoes, Alexander Wayne. Lil' Scotty Pippen, yeah, he got some player ways. But the way your shit hit me like dope, hit them J's.
I got some green onion. I probably won't need to use all of this. And I'm gonna cut up some fresh garlic. We got some sesame oil, some soy sauce, some red pepper flakes, some cornstarch, some sugar. That's for our marinade. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut my broccoli.
Bitch out of here in the casino. We gon' look for that barrel like Nemo. You the stick while you checking the people. I don't really be playing with people. Sick and tired of me playing with people. My little swipe been working in Nemo. We were ducking and dodging them demons. We would live for the money like Nemo. We would live for the money like Nemo. Funny banding it right around wrist. 100 rounds so you know I won't miss. This a new one they ain't gotta keep. Nah, any bitch getting numbers on dick. Let's go. Early morning, time to get paid. Got no time to be stuck in your way. And that glizzy a buzz out of brain.
Now, for this recipe, I am going to use both the white part and the green part of my green onions.
Never switch up on the game. Die loyalty, one of my downfall. He ain't real get a far away from running. They were here for the ones who had doubted. It was hard just like moving the mountain. He a rat, yeah, these niggas some mice. Told him gotta come down on your price. See my day one get hooked on the ice. Drinking, snoring, and playing with needle. Gotta watch out these folks is seafood. Let them put in some work that we eatin'. From the trap, we gon' sell out arenas. Set the blowing shit up like a C4. I'ma pull up and pull off a C4. I'ma pull up and pull off a C4. Fuck your bitch out of here in the casino. We gon' look for that barrel like Nemo. You the stick while you checking the people. I don't really be playing with people. Sick and tired of me playing with people. My little swipe been working in Nemo. We were ducking and dodging them demons.
Alright, so here I'm taking my broccoli and I'm going to blanch them for about 2 minutes. Literally only 2 minutes in some boiling hot water. Now for my rice, I'm using Jasmine Rice, not Uncle Ben's white rice, no other rice but Jasmine Rice. I'm bringing 2 1/4 cups of water to a boil. And I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of some butter. Now while that's boiling, we're going to prepare our marinade. Now in a bowl, you want to stir in a 1/3 cup of some soy sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of sugar, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. I went ahead and added in my green onions and garlic next. And I did use a little bit of some red crushed pepper flakes.
Everywhere I go, a nigga scrap like Trojan. I don't know why these bitches love me like sauce. When we wipe his nose, I know that he gon' notice. From the south side, but I'm west side coast. Tryna say these whole nigga being too heroic. Married to the money like holy matrimony.
Alright, so now I'm taking 2 tablespoons of some butter and I'm melting it in some olive oil. And I'm going to saute my garlic and the white part of the green onions that I cut earlier. So I'm going to saute them for about a minute, 2 minutes. And the water for my rice was boiling, so I went ahead and added in a cup of the Jasmine Rice and covered it. Put my heat on simmer. My rice should cook for about 20 minutes. Now, once this is done sauteing, I'm going to add in my shrimp next. And for my shrimp, I did season it with just salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder. That's it. Alright, now it's time to add in our shrimp. And I'm only going to cook my shrimp for about a minute and a half. And then I'm going to add in my broccoli next. After I add in my broccoli, I'm going to add in my marinade next. And we're basically pretty much done here. Right? It's so simple and easy. And of course, don't overcook your broccoli. Don't overcook your shrimp. You don't want no soggy ass broccoli. And we damn sure don't want no rubbery ass shrimp. So that's pretty much it for the shrimp and broccoli recipe. And if you already made it this far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. I appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And give me feedback. I love feedback. And I will see you guys on my next cooking tutorial.
Judo. B-Rats go crazy.
They put up, for right now, let the game come up. Come on. All we know first, ain't no running up. Nah. Fuck around, run up, get done up. Got runs in my blood, I stop cussing. They soaking again like some sponges. Without the pickle, she said it's humongous. Might eat me a perky for lunch. I don't wanna hear about it, I don't wanna hear about it. I don't wanna hear about it, I don't wanna hear about it. I don't wanna hear about it. You gotta show me. You gotta show me. Yeah. You gotta show me. You gotta show me. You gotta show me. I don't wanna hear about it. 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 Show me, make me focus on me, yeah. It's on me, everywhere I go, it's on me, yeah. You gotta show me that you got the money before we can make a transaction. I'm from that south side, having ties on that west side, and they know I ain't capping. They ran that phone, be coming in on the north side, and I gotta grab it. My boy in the east said they never ever running out of narcotics. In the street, we hard body. Have you ever loved something that you love and couldn't cry about it? Found like the vibe can't be around you. They fucked up, for right now, let the game come up. Come on. All we know first, ain't no running up. Fuck around, run up, get done up. Got runs in my blood, I stop cussing. They soaking again like some sponges. Without the pickle, she said it's humongous. Might eat me a perky for lunch. I don't wanna hear about it, I don't wanna hear about it. I don't wanna hear about it, I don't wanna hear about it. I don't wanna hear about it. You gotta show me. You gotta show me. Yeah. You gotta show me. You gotta show me. You gotta show me. I don't wanna hear about it.